My name is Abdul Hamid. I am a boy. I am 4 years old. I go to school at Nasser Boys School. My sweet mommy's name is Juvie. My loving daddy's name is Abdul. I live in Hyderabad. I love to draw, color, and play outside every day. My friend's name is Sulaiman. My favorite color is blue, and my favorite toy is a Spider-Man toy. I love eating mangoes and ice cream. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite animal is a cat. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a wonderful